Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to handle spaces in source document while loading the data into SQL tables in SSIS. So first I will show my input document, text document. It contains 5 rows and 3 columns. So if you observe the third column, that is location, you observe some gaps are there, some spaces are there for some of the rows. So here in first row you can find the spaces before the location name, and also in fourth row also some gap is there, and as well as in fifth row also, in fifth record also you see some spaces before location value. So how to handle in this scenario and load the data properly into the destination table. To my destination table, it contains also, we see the schema and structure of the table. So you find country column having a length of the 15 length. So in the source document, it may causes, because the values in the source document is more than 15. So it causes some truncation error. So in this scenario, how to handle and how to load the data using SSIS package. So first drag your data flow task and go to flat file source. Double click, new, browse, take the address text document columns. So here you can clearly see the gaps. Click OK. OK. Now I'm going to load the data into destination table using OLDB destination. Double click. Select new. I'm selecting my database, test database, and select your table name, which is nothing but here person underscore TBL, and map location to the country column. So here you get the warning message. Here, see here, length of the location in the source document. Now I'm going to run the package by ignoring this warning message. So you will see what happened. See here, 5 rows from the flat file to the destination, but it causes error. So you'll see how many records are loaded. Only 3 records are loaded. I already shown the length of this country column is 15. So because of having the more than the length in the source document, so it causes error and package is failed. Truncate the table. So I want to do some modifications in the package. Dealing with the constant. Now I am using the one transformation called derived column transformation. So I am connecting the source to the derived column transformation. Double click. So here we can use this string function called replace function. This replace function. So replace function on location column. So we are getting the issue on location column. So I am taking replace location instead of adding the new column. So replace will take 3 arguments. Replace will take 3 arguments. First one is column name, and second one is space. True, removing the space with empty space. One more time. Click OK and connect with the destination. Double click and go to mapping. Even though we use the replace function, the warning message with the it appears as it is. So ignoring this warning message, just run your package. Now you can see all 5 rows are moved from flat file source to destination. Now check your data in the table. Yeah, it appears all 5 rows perfectly except for the fourth record. South Africa, there is no gap between the South and Africa, 2 words. So by using replace, it will take the that empty space between the 2 words also replace. Now I want to One more string function instead of replace. There is nothing but trim. Trim will take remove the data either trailing or leading spaces. Now I am using a trim function. Trim, on which column we need to use the trim function? Location. Location field I am taking here. Trim and click OK. And again go to mappings and click OK. Now run the package and one more time truncate the table. Truncate the table. Select table. There is no data. Now I'm going to run the package one more time after changing the string function from replace to trim. So you see 5 rows are appeared. Now if you check your data in the table, you see South Africa is appeared perfectly. Earlier we haven't seen any gap between the two words. Now we can see clearly one space between two words. So this is how you can replace the spaces when your source document has spaces of in your any column by using either replace or trim function as per the requirement in SSIS. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.